Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove an app from Apple ID devices list, security cleanup step by step clearly. Open settings on your iPhone or iPad and make sure you are connected to the internet. Tap your name at the top to enter the Apple ID page. Scroll down to see the list of devices linked to your Apple ID. Tap the device you do not recognize or no longer use. Check the device details like model, iOS version, and serial number to confirm it is the right one. If you are trying to remove a specific app access, look for any subscription or service linked to that device. Tap Remove from Account if you see this option at the bottom. If Remove from Account is not available, tap Find My from the Apple ID page. Tap Devices inside Find My and select the same device. Scroll down and tap Remove this device if it appears. If the device is still marked as yours, tap Erase this device only if you no longer have it and your data must be protected. After removing, go back to the Apple ID page and confirm the device no longer appears in the list. Now open Settings and tap Passwords to review saved logins related to that app or service. Delete any saved password entries you no longer want tied to your Apple ID usage. Go back to Settings and open Privacy and Security. Tap Tracking and disable tracking for apps you do not trust. Return to the Apple ID page and open Sign In and Security. Tap Change Password and set a strong new password if you suspect unauthorized access. Choose a password you have never used before and save it in a secure password manager. In Sign In and Security, tap Two-Factor Authentication and verify it is turned on. Tap Trusted Phone Numbers and remove any number you do not control. Go back and tap Devices again and recheck for any unknown device names. If you see something suspicious, repeat the remove steps and change your password again. Open the App Store and tap your profile icon to check your account settings. Tap Purchased and review recent downloads for anything you did not install. If you find an unfamiliar app, delete it from your device and report it to Apple if needed. Check your email for Apple ID sign-in alerts and confirm that all recent logins were yours. Restart your iPhone or iPad to ensure all security changes refresh properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.